Welcome to Microsoft 365 training. In this video, we'll discuss about site settings and we'll see look and feel inside site settings. And we can able to change the site name and also we can change the description and we can add the logo. And when you create a site and it will show the default SharePoint logo, that also we can able to change. And we can able to change the look as well, so which means like if you want to change the theme, or maybe if you want to change, or if you want to add a background image, you can able to add from the change the look option. This change the look option also we have in two places. We'll see what are the difference between those two. And also we have a quick launch bar in the SharePoint that we'll see in this video. So for that, I'm going back to this broadcasting site which we created earlier. And in this one, if we go to this one, and we can able to see the site information and also site contents from the both places, we can go to the site settings. When we hit this site information, and here we will see an option named it as view all site settings. Or if you close this one, if you go to the site contents, in the site content also you can able to see an option name called site settings. If you click this one also, it will go to the site settings page. In the previous videos we have covered site columns and site content types. In this video we'll cover this look and feel section. The very first option here is title, description and logo. When we click this one, it will open another window. Here this is the title which is showing broadcasting, and if you want to add something like broadcasting site, you can add. The description, we are not provided any description when we created this site, so I'm just giving this site is for demo. And if you want to change it, you can. And here we have an option, like you can able to see this logo is appearing here. Even if you try to duplicate this one, like I'll try to duplicate this window, and when I click this one, and we can able to go to the home page. In the home page we don't have that logo, but if you go to any of the side pages, you can able to see that one. Not here. If you go to example, if I go to the library settings, and here you can able to see this logo. Now the logo is SharePoint default logo which is appearing here. Now I want to add another logo from my computer, then we can able to click this one and it will pop up a window to browse the images. I'll go to my system. In this one we have a PNG file, and I'm selecting this PNG file and I'm clicking open. Click OK. Then it will store into a site assets gallery, and this is the logo, and this logo which I uploaded, and you can able to see which is applied here as well. And if you want to enter any description for this logo, you can able to enter here. Some point of time, if the logo is taking time to load, the text will appear here. Now when I click OK, and it will change the site title, description as well as logo. Now you can able to see the logo here. If you go to the home page also, earlier which is only broadcasting, now the site is added. Earlier here we just have an a B letter, and now you can able to see the logo which we uploaded. So this way you can able to update the title, you can able to update the description, and you can update the logo as well. And if you click here, if you go to the site information, and if you go to the view all site settings, here we have another option also called quick launch. The quick launch is nothing but this one, and when you are working with the communication site, and your quick launch will appear in the top navigation in the home page, but if you go to any of the site pages, this quick launch will be same. Now for that, I'm clicking this quick launch option here under look and feel section. Here we can able to see the home, documents, pages, recent employee documents and site contents. If you go to the home page of this site, here in the top you can able to see home, document, pages, employee documents, all you can able to see. The same manner you can able to see here as well. For example, if you want to add any navigation link, you can able to add from here. When you click this new navigation link, and here you can able to provide that like rishansolutions.com, And here it is showing the headings. Now we have the headings like home, documents. You can able to see these are all our headings. Now I'm keeping this one under home only, and here if you want to provide the description to show the name, I'll type this Rishan Solutions as a description. The description will display, the link will not display, but when we click this description, then it will navigate to this address. I'm clicking OK. Now a link is created under this one, under this home. You can refresh this one from the home page. If you refresh this one under home, you can able to see the Rishan Solutions. uh, this is one of the navigation which we created, and we provided some external link here. And the same way, if you want to create a heading, you can able to create a heading from here. If I click this one, and again it is asking here, I'll enter this microsoft.com, and the description I'll give Microsoft, and click OK. When we click OK, now the heading is created. If you come to home page, now when we refresh this one, the heading will appear here. The Microsoft is added here. The same manner, if you want to add any links under that Microsoft, and you can able to add this from the new navigation link. Now here I'll give something called powerapps.com, or if you want to give something called make.powerapp.com, you can able to give like this. And you can select this heading. When you click OK, then if you go back here, and we forgot to give a description, and if you want to edit any of the existing one, you can able to update it as well. I'm just typing called Power Apps, and then click OK. Now you can able to see the heading is like this, and we have created a Microsoft heading. Under that we created this Power Apps. If you scroll down, sorry, if you refresh this one, you can able to see this one with the Power Apps. So this way you can able to create this links in the quick navigation, and if you want to create a sublinks also, you can able to create from here. And if you want to change the order, you can able to change the order as well. Initially we have home in first place, but I want to make the Microsoft in first place. If you select this one, the home will automatically changes to second place. And example, documents is in third place. If you want to change it to seventh place or sixth place, you can able to change that one. Now we have Microsoft, and then home, then pages. Like this we have. When you click OK, the quick navigation will update. Now you can able to see the Microsoft in top place, and then home, and then pages. If you come back to the home page, when you refresh also, you can able to see Microsoft in first place, and then home, then pages. So if you want to change the order, you can able to change the order from here. So we will have total three options here in the quick launch. The first one is new navigation link, to create a new navigation links under any of these headers. And if you want to create a new header, you can able to create the header from here. And the last one is change the order. So if you wish to have the previous the test list in first place, or documents in second place, whatever the way you want, and you can able to change the order from here. So that is about quick launch, and we'll discuss about change the link. And before discussing about this change the look, and if you go to this home page, from the home page we'll try to come back to this site settings. Before coming to site settings, we have a site information option here from the site action gear. So when you hit this site information, it will show few of the options. From here, if you want to change the logo, you can able to change the logo as well. If you hit this one, and then it will ask you to it will ask you to upload a new image, and you can able to update the image from here. And if you want to remove the existing logo, you can able to do this one from here as well. Now the name is available here, description is available here, and this we tried under site settings. And we'll discuss about the hub site association later. And if you wish to go to all site settings, you can able to go from here. And yeah, if you want to delete this site, and you can able to delete this one from the site information. Site information also have few of the settings that you can able to do. And the last one is change the look. If you hit this change the look option, you can able to see different type of themes were available for SharePoint Online. The current theme, which this one we are using, for example, if you don't like this one, and if you like any of these these type of themes, and you can able to choose couple of we have. Okay, what I'll do is I'll select this one, and this is a green theme, and so there is no background image here. And if you want to add the background image, you can able to add. Now here you can able to see the color palettes. If you hit this one, you can able to see different type of color palettes, whatever you like, and you can able to choose that one, or otherwise you can able to keep the previous one as well. For example, if I select this blue, and I can able to see the blue. If I select this one, and I can able to see the more, more green color. And if we select this one, and here would be the top bars would be in the green color, and few of the places also you can able to see the green and black type of themes is applied to this one. And we have two types of layouts for sites. One is a Seattle, and another one is a Oslo. So these type of layouts we can call it as a master page layouts. And from the SharePoint 2013 onwards, we have this Seattle and Oslo master pages. And when you try to change the look also, if you want to select any of these type of layouts, you can. But whereas coming to, if you select the Oslo, you cannot able to see a quick launch bar. But if you select a Seattle, and you can able to see a quick launch bar. And there is slight other differences also between these two layouts, but in most of our cases we will use this Seattle layout. And coming to this font, we have different type of fonts, and whatever the font you like, you can able to choose for your site. And we have few only, we don't have much, but you can able to change the font if it requires. Now we'll come back and we'll discuss this one. Or if you want to add any background image to this particular site, you can able to add a background image as well. So for that, I'm just trying to upload a image file. I have this logo in my downloads. I'm selecting this Rishan Solutions.png file, and then when you click open and then click OK, and it will upload to SharePoint environment, and it will add that image as an kind of background, but that is a transparent image we can able to see. Now you can able to see, if you apply this background image, then it looks like this. And we'll try to add to the site. Okay, I understand this. Yes, keep it. Okay, now you can able to see these all colors are changed to green, and you can able to see the background image also available for this site. And if you go to the home page also, you can see a lot of changes. Earlier it is in blue color, now it is in green color, and this one also changed to green, and these small things are changed to green color. If you apply the blue color palette to this site, and you can able to see this blue colors, but now we have applied a kind of green, so that's why we can able to see the green. Even you can able to see the footer also change it to green. And I'll go back to site information, and then we'll go back to the change the look option. If you click this one, and if you wish to change back to any of the themes, you can able to do that. And still we have an option to change the theme again. So if you don't like it, and if you want to go back to the previous one, and you have to select the previous office theme, and then you need to apply that. So this one contains four options. When you try to apply these themes, you'll have a background image, you'll have a color, you'll have a site layout, and you'll have a font. So if you have any logo, or if you have some image to put in the background, you can able to upload here. and this one related to the colors, and this one related to the layout, and this is font. And also if you go to the home page and if we click this site action gear, here also we can able to see the option name called change look. Once we hit this change the look option, we will get four different type of options. One is for the themes. So from here also you can able to change the color palette. See, if I select this one, these colors is changed to blue. If I change this one and these things are changed to red color, if I change this one, then this one changed to green color. So this way you can able to apply the theme. So the theme will help you to to maintain a proper kind of branding, or if your company have any specific color theme and you can able to do or you can able to create that in the color palette, you can able to upload into your SharePoint environment. That we'll see in the upcoming sessions, how we can add and how we can apply the themes to the sites. And here we have an header, and header contains different type of options. If you see, like the layout contains a compact one for this header, but if you go with a minimal, and you can able to see there is no space after this one and after the about the page content. And if you go with a compact, and you will see some enough space here. And if you go with the standard, and then the title will be in the top and all the links will be in the bottom. And the next one is extended, which means now here this one is completely header, and all your quick launch bar or quick launch links will be appear here. And here also we have a background concept. If you apply this one for the header, and this background will appear. If you go with this one, this background will appear, and if you select this green, the green color will apply. So whatever the way you want, or whatever the theme background color you want, you can able to do that. Even you can able to upload a image for the theme, and that will apply in the backend as well. And here the site title visibility, basically which is on. If I off, the site name will not visible, and if I make it on, and then this will be available, otherwise it will not available. And this is the site logo thumbnail, and this is the logo. If you want to change the logo, you can able to change from here as well. We have another place also to change that one. And this background we covered, and the display site title visibility is here. If you don't like it, you can close it. If you like it, you can. So that is about the display settings in the header. So we have this layout for the header, and we have the background, and we have the display options. Three options for the header we have. And also if you go to the navigation, now we are using a mega menu, or if you want to use a cascading, you can able to use a cascading. The mega menu is like this, and it will show a bigger font, and it will show in a different manner. If you go with a cascading option, for example, if you have a links here, and at that if you have any other links and you want to go with that cascading option, you can go with the cascading option as well. Now we'll go back to change the look. And in the navigation we only have two, and the site navigation visibility basically on. If you don't like it, now you can able to see there is no navigation. If you make it on, now you can able to see this option, what type of menu you want. You want a mega menu, or you want a cascading, that based on your business requirement, and you can able to choose any one of these. Now finally we'll go to the footer concept. The footer concept, I'll show you the footer. If you scroll down a bit, down, you can able to see a footer here. Now this footer only contains a edit option, and if you go back to here, and if you go back to this site information, and then go to view all site settings, and then now before going to view all site settings, and we are trying to update the footer from here. When we click this one, and we can able to see this change the look option, and when we hit this change the look in the footer, we can able to see the simple and extended, both options are available. If you go will try to refresh the another browser. If you scroll down now, you can able to see the footer here, and in the footer we have a simple and we have extended one. So if you select this extended one, now it would be little bigger compared with this, which is smaller than this. So that is the extended one. And if you want to add the logo, you can able to add the logo as well from downloads, and trying to apply the logo, and you can select from here, click open, and then click save. Now the logo is applied here, and which contains edit option also here. And I'm again going back to site information, and then we'll go to not site information, we have to go back to change the look. And in the footer we have simple and extended, we have tried, and we also tried the logo. And display name is your wish, and this is Rishan Solutions. If I enter this Rishan Solutions, you can able to see the content is displaying here in the footer. And even we have the background option. If you want to go with the plain, you can, or if you want to go with the another color, it will also will apply to that. And if you want to go with this color, and this color is also will be applied, but if you want to go with the green color, you can able to go with the green color. So when we hit save, now the footer will be saved next time. And if you want to edit something in the footer also, you can able to edit from here. If you hit this one, and here a window will appear. If you want to add the links, you can able to add the links here. So this one will see in a different session how we can add the footer labels. And if you want to add the links also in the footer, you can able to add from this edit option. This one will see in the upcoming sessions. So we have covered most of the topics here, like how we can go with the site settings. In the site settings we have look and feel section. From there we can able to change the site name, and we can able to change the description, and we can able to keep the sorry, if you want to update the quick launch bar, you can able to update the quick launch bar as well. And in the look and feel section, we have different type of section that also we have discussed in this. And we have this look and feel option in both places. If you are going to the site settings, there also you can able to see the change the look option. And if you are here in the home page, and from the here also you can able to see this change the look option. This option have two places, but two places it contains different functionality. So that's it about this video, and in the next video we'll discuss remaining site settings.